In the Notes app on iOS 17 and later, you can now embed PDF documents inline in your note, and then you can annotate them and draw on them whatever else you want. Here you can see that I'm using the Markup tools to cross off the Lego Mario figures I've got already, but I need to add Series 4 and Series 5 onto here so I don't miss any. I've got in front of me a paper copy of the Series 5 guide, and I'm simply going to scan it into Notes by pressing those 3 dots on the top toolbar and then pressing Scan Document. From here I can simply get a scan of my document by holding my phone just in the air above it, nice and still, and it will place that in my note for me. I can drag and drop this and put it in position, and I can use those markup tools without having to even open the PDF document because it's embedded in the note like this. And of course you can insert PDF documents from your phone itself. So if I jump out of Notes and instead go into the Files app, here I've got the Series 4 guide, and all I'm going to do is tap and hold on the file, come out of Files with my other finger, and drag and drop this back in Notes to where I want it to go. When my finger lets go of that document, it will embed the PDF, just like before. This is a really handy feature, and it makes Notes even more useful than before, especially when working with PDF documents. And there are loads more interesting and cool little tweaks like this in iOS 17, and I'd strongly encourage you to find the playlist on the end screen now, so you can see everything that's new. And if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe down below, and you'll get loads more iPhone quick tips on your homepage.